Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be pretty simple and straightforward. I don't expect anyone to have any issues, any errors claiming this bonus, because you'll be getting a free funded account, which is 2,500 funded account, and the capital is $2,500, which you'll be getting if you actually follow these steps I'll be showing in this video. And in my previous video, I made mention of people who actually want to join a simple group where you can actually learn, and I've been seeing comments, good comments, positive comments about those who are interested in that aspect. Now in today's video, like I said, I'll be straightforward, so you just need to follow the steps. So but before that, if you know this is your first time of coming across this channel, one thing I want every single one of us to do is to give this video a like. And in case you have any aspect of the video you don't understand, which I don't expect you not to, because everything is just simple, just leave a comment in the comment section. And also another important aspect, which is you need to subscribe to the channel so you always get notified anytime I drop updates like this, because I used to try my best to make sure I drop updates on the latest free funded accounts, not the possible bonus, I know, crypto updates most of the times. So just subscribe to the channel. And also in the comment section, you'll be finding a link that will take you to the Telegram channel. Try joining the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on latest updates about the available bonuses. So once you click on the link in the Telegram channel, you also find a link that will take you to this broker right here, this funded account, this funded site, where you'll be seeing this post right here on the screen showing more information about this broker right here. You can see it's Finotive Funding, and you can take a look at the details they wrote right here. Share your experience and instantly receive a free $2,500 challenge account as if you actually complete a survey, which is what they're actually running. They're running a survey, and for those who actually complete it, now I need to let you know this, that this promotion is actually limited. So if you don't actually claim it quick, you might actually miss out on this. So you just need to go straight to the site, click on start survey, and then you input your email address right here, which is the first step of the survey. Input your email address, and next you would need to fill in your full name right here. Now you can see right here, I just took my time filling my full name, and then the next thing you need to do is just click on next. Now from there, you'll be taken to this next aspect that says select the country where you're from, and you can just type in your country name, click on next, and then proceed to answering every single question you're being asked in this survey. Now you can see right here, would you open an account? Questions like this, it's actually stressed me out a little bit, but I know I had to take my time just to go and answer this survey, and then so I can be able to get the free $2,500 capital they're actually giving out. Now I don't want to waste your time, because after this survey actually took, so I think, close to like 10 minutes or 7 minutes. So I don't want to waste your time. Just at the end, after completing every single after answering the questions, you have it just like this that says thank you. You can see it says your feedback will help shape the full trading journey. Now you can see the first thing that says right here under review. The second one says free 2.5k challenge, and thirdly says there's a $20,000 prize pool which should automatically be added into, and also you can actually be lucky to get rewarded from the $20,000 prize pool which they're actually running. Now this steps is actually a very simple and straightforward process. So you just need to go straight to the site, complete the survey, and try joining those who will be getting access to this profile before it ends. So I think everyone should be able to understand every single explanation which I've made, and you don't want to miss out on updates like this. So you join the Telegram channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also give this video a like so that YouTube can push it to more audience. Have a nice day, guys.